Friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to teach you how to create four layer boards from two layer. So if here you can see, by default it is two layer board, but I want to make it four layer. So for that, what you have to do? So for that you have to go to setup. See, I am using Cadence 17.4 version. Okay, this is the newest one, so I am using this one. Okay, so we have to go to setup, cross section. So here it come, setup cross section. So here what you have to do, right click and select add layer pair below. Okay, here you have to change the name to GND ground and make it plain. Okay, again you have to right click add layer pair below. So first top, second ground, third layer should be VCC or power, anything you can write. Now I'm here writing power. This also you make it plain. Okay, this also you make it plain, then give OK. Okay, I think it has gone. We have to apply, to give apply. Oh no, it has come. See, top, ground, power and bottom. So there, this is four layers. Now we can, now for four layer board what we have to do, so for four layer board, see, this is ground connection, this all, as you can see, this is ground. So first what we'll do, we just highlight this ground net so that we can easily identify VCC and power things. Okay, so first what we'll do, we'll go to set display, assign color. Okay, then go to find all of, only net we should be visible, then go to visibility options, and here you can select any color. Now I am going to select red color and just click it. So this all ground net is now red, in a red color. Similarly, what we can do, we can make it VBAT also we need to assign some colors. So what we'll do, we'll just, again we have to go to set display, assign color. Okay, then give any other color. So I am giving here purple. Okay, then you select it. So see, this is VBAT, purple color is VBAT, and red color is, so red color is ground. Okay, so for ground we have to just put shape. Okay, so complete board we need, and this is actually ground chassis. Ground chassis also I will assign color. So go to setup, go to display, uh, assign color, and for ground chassis you can make this color. Okay, color you can choose as you want. Okay, so that is no restriction. You can, if you suppose you want to de-highlight this one, similarly you can come here, go to display, de-assign color. Okay, de-assign color, all you can, if you do de-assign color, see that color is gone. So what you can do is go to display, assign color, select red. So like this we have to assign the colors before routing. Okay, so now before routing we have to do constraint setting. In this board I have already done constraint setting, so I will create another video. In that completely I will teach you how to do constraint setting, basic constraint setting. Okay, so for constraint setting, go to setup, constraint, physical, here actually by default if you come, no, here 555 it will be there. So here I have made line width for default means signals line width means track width. I have taken 10 mils, okay, and maximum line width is 1000 mil. Then neck width, neck means suppose the pad width is very small, then we can give there, we can assign neck width there, okay. So neck width is 8 mil and maximum length is 1000 mil, okay. And here we have assigned via. I'll also teach you how to create via and assign via. So here I have already assigned via, that is 16, 32, 40, 20, 2, 3 vias I have already assigned, okay. So this I will teach you in another video. And here power, we have created power means here line width I have given 40 mils, so thickness will be more for power, right? So for that I have given 40 mils, and then every all other things will be same only, like wires and all will be same only. This one for power I created. I'll show you why I created this one. First again I will create one physical set, create physical set, okay. Here I will give ground and apply. So similarly 40 1000 mil maximum this will come, okay. Then why I created this different physical set? One physical set is default, one physical set is ground, and another is power. Why? What is the reason we have created here? I will show you. For that you have to go to net all layers, okay. Here what happened, you know, if see ground net, you can see here this net name is ground, but recommended physical set what it has come, default line width is 10 mil only, but we want 40 mil. So what I have to do, I'll just select here and ground I'll make. Then you see you can 40 mils you can change, line width is changed into 40 mils. Similarly for ground chassis I'll just make ground, so line width will change to 40 mils, okay. And for power also, see V watt power is there, no, here also power means physical C set will just make, and VCC also will make power, okay. So this is one thing, that is net track width and all we have set. Now spacing, if will come, go to spacing. Here 10 actually line width is 10 and 10 mil is this one. Spacing also, like spacing means line to all 10 mil, line to line to through pin, line to SMD pin, line to test pin, lines to through wire, BB wire, test wire, all it is 10 mils only. So through pin to line, through pin to through pin, through pin to SMD pin, so this all it is 10 mils, okay. This all it is 10 mils we have to. So by default it will be here 5 mils only, but you need to make it to 10 mil, or suppose if 8 mil is the space, it's 8 mil is the track width, like line width, 8 mil spacing you can give. 10 mil is line width, that means track width, so 10 mil spacing you can give, okay. So that is the thing. So here I have I just closed it, okay. So now I'll just put one shape, okay. So I'll just go to shape, rectangular, okay. Then go to edge, okay, and here ground, and here assign net name, here ground you can make, okay. So I'll just make here one rectangle and it will get connected, okay. So now what happened, you know, see this through hole is already it got connected, so this one is not get connected. So what I'll do, I'll just edit, I'll just vertex, not this one second, okay. So this one is through hole is it got connected, but this SMD pin is not getting connected here. So for that what we have to do, we have to punch vias, okay. So select here right click, double click, then like that we have to connect. So for all we have to connect. So this VCC also is there. Now this also we need to assign. Okay, that I will assign. So similarly here this pad width is 40 mil, but we want 25, so that exactly the pad width will come. So 25 mil. Okay, so wherever it is now constraint, if will come to constraint, that actual width will come. So here write constraint, double click, panchvaya. Okay, so this also ground, panchvaya. Okay, so like this we have to make. And similarly for power also we have to make. So for power, what will the here VCC is there, right? I have just seen here VCC. That also what we'll do, go to display, assign color, will give different color to VCC so that we can identify. So this blue color is VCC, this purple color is VBAT, okay, and this red color is ground. So wherever VCC is there, we will make. Now what happened, no, this ground I'll just remove. So see, this is VCC, this is VCC, okay. So this complete section is VCC. So what we will do, we'll just add, go to shape, polygon, option, H, power. Here which net we are going to connect, VCC, okay. So sorry, here right click, here we can select net, okay. VCC net is there, okay. So just make one shape, this one roughly I am just making, and this we need to make it correct, perfect actually. So this I am just making roughly, we can add it later, okay. So this section is for VCC, okay. Now for VBAT we need to make. So what we'll do, go to shape, polygon, power layer, net, VBAT, give okay. Okay, this also, here also VCC is there, okay. That we will do, we'll make it. So this section is for VCC, this is for ground. So like that we need to pour copper for particular section. This is VCC, this is VBAT. And similarly go to visibility. Now you see, so this is 4 layer board. If it is 2 layer means we need to root all this, but this is 4 layer board, so we no need to root this one, okay. So so in next video I will teach you how to root this, okay. I'll root completely and show you how to do routing, okay. Complete, I'll just make it complete, and till Garbar I will teach you how to make. So hope this video will be useful for you. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
हाँ क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं,
हाँ
ये कहाँ से?
हाँ